English for Everyone. Coursebook Level 2. Business English. Lesson 7.
Writing a report. When writing a report, you may need to use different past tenses to show sequences of events. You may also need to use more formal phrasing.
Sales of our cleaning products had fallen, so we hired a new marketing team.
Many of our customers hadn't tried online shopping before we launched our delivery service. Had you prepared for that presentation? It didn't go very well.
How to form the past perfect. Sales of our products had fallen.
The number of complaints had risen, so we sent our staff for training. We changed our logo because a lot of people had complained about it. Some of our goods had arrived broken, so we asked for a refund. There were problems in the warehouse because our manager had resigned. Sales of umbrellas were poor because we had had a dry summer. Our clients were not happy because we had missed our deadline. Yasmin's presentation had gone very well, so I gave her a promotion. Our sales increased because we had launched a new product range.
Replacement of telephone operators with online messaging. Gill Motors replaced all its telephone operators with online messaging for a trial period. Benefits: each operator can deal with more than one client. A written record is kept of each dialogue. Negative effects: significant drop in number of inquiries. Customer dissatisfaction. Recommendations: offer both phone and online messaging services. Create positive promotion for online messaging.
The following report presents the results of a client satisfaction survey. Our clients stated that they had been disappointed with the sales figures. The purpose of this report is to review our marketing expenditure. Based on this initial research, we should increase our marketing budget. As can be seen in the table, we spent very little on social media marketing. My principal recommendation is to create and launch a new campaign.
Many of our clients were interviewed for this report. The purpose of this report is to review our sales figures for the last quarter. Our principal recommendation is to complete the sale of the downtown store. The following report presents the results of extensive customer satisfaction research. Our main client stated that the recent changes were beneficial for his business.
The following report presents our staffing plans for the coming year. As can be seen in the table, the figures for this period were excellent. It is clear from the research that there were a number of problems. A number of focus groups were consulted for this report. The purpose of this report is to present the findings of our survey.
Our clients stated that they had been disappointed with our products. The focus group clients had all used both the original and new products.
The following chart compares the sales figures for the two periods.
We asked the customers who had complained why they didn't like the change.
The purpose of this report is to present the results of our online trial.
We started this online trial after our store costs had risen by 10%.
End of Lesson 7. Thanks for watching.